Good morning, students. I am R. K. Yadav. Today we will study about the lines and angles, chapter 6, mathematics of class 9. Today we will discuss about the topic parallel lines and transversal lines. When two lines never meet, then they are known as parallel line. That is, the distance between them is always constant. Suppose this is two line and distance between them is always constant and they never meet when they extend is known as parallel lines. And transversal line, a line which intersects two or more lines at a distinct point, is called transversal. In this figure, this line is transversal line. This line cuts the two lines at distinct point, here and here, two or more lines, then the line is known as transversal. So this line is transversal. Now, when a transversal intersects two lines, then there are 8 angles formed, 4 angles here and 4 angles here. This angle 3, 4, 5, 6 is known as interior angle, and angle 1, 2, 7, 8 are known as exterior angle. Angle 1, 2, this is angle 1, 2 and 7, 8 are known as exterior angle. And next is, suppose here a line M and N are parallel and this line L is transversal line, and there are angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then exterior angle is 1, 2 and 8, 7, and interior angles are 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are some relation between the interior and exterior angles. Corresponding angle. What is corresponding angle? Suppose these are two parallel lines and this is transversal, then the angle formed here and here, this is known as corresponding angle. Similarly, the angle this and this is known as corresponding angle, and again angle this and angle this is known as corresponding angle, and also angle this angle and this angle is corresponding angle. So there are 4 pair of corresponding angle. Suppose the name of angle is 1, 2, 3, 4. This angle is 1, this is 2, 3, this is 3 and 4, this angle is 5, this is 6, 7 and 8. So 1 and 5 are corresponding angle. That is, angle 1, this angle, and 5 are corresponding angle. 2 and 6 are corresponding angle. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angle. This is 2 and this is 6 are corresponding angle. Similarly, angle this angle 4 and 8, this angle is 4 and this angle is 8. are corresponding angle, and 3 and 7 are corresponding angle. 3 and 7 are corresponding angle. When these two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angle will be equal, and when the corresponding angles will equal, then the lines will be parallel. That is, its converse is also true. Second is alternate interior angle. Suppose this is two line, parallel line, and this is transversal, then the alternate interior angle, this angle and this angle is alternate interior angle. This angle and this angle is alternate interior angle. Similarly, this angle this and angle this are also alternate interior angle, and again alternate exterior angle. Suppose alternate exterior angle, suppose these two lines are parallel and one, this is transversal line, this line is transversal, then alternate exterior angle, this is this angle and this angle is known as alternate exterior angle. Similarly, this angle and this angle is known as alternate exterior angle, and when these two lines are parallel, then the alternate exterior angle is also equal. And next is interior angle on the same sides of transversal. Suppose this is two parallel line and this third line is transversal, this is transversal, then interior angle on the same side of transversal, this angle and this angle is known as interior angle on the same side of transversal, and sum of these angle is 180 degree. Suppose this angle is A and this angle is B, then A plus B equal to 180 degree. Interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary, that is 180 degree. Similarly, this angle is also interior angle on the same side of transversal. Suppose this is C and this is D, then sum of C plus D equal to 180 degree. Interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary. So if the lines are parallel, if these two lines are parallel, then corresponding angle, alternate angle, exterior angle and interior angles, the pair of these angles will be equal. Suppose this is 62 and 62. Similarly, this is alternate. Similarly, this is alternate. This angle is corresponding. This angle and this angle is corresponding. This angle alternate. Or you can say that this is vertically opposite angle. This is vertically opposite angle, and here 62 and 62 is corresponding angle and they will be equal. Similarly, this angle and this angle is corresponding angle, this will be equal, and so on. And this is alternate interior angle, this angle and this angle are alternate interior angle, this will be equal, and this is also alternate interior angle. Here this angle and this angle is, and sum of interior angle on the same side of transversal are supplementary. These two angles are interior angle on the same side of transversal, so sum of these two angle will be 180 degree, and so on. All property hold in this. There are some axioms in parallel lines. First, if a transversal intersects two parallel line, if a transversal, suppose this is transversal line and these two lines are parallel line, intersects, then what property hold? This is transversal. Then each pair of corresponding angle will be equal. Corresponding matlab this angle and this angle, like other pair also. Similarly, each pair of alternate angle will be equal. Alternate this angle and this angle will be equal. And next, each pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal will be supplementary. It means the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Similarly, this is also in this side. These are the interior angle on the same side of transversal and their sum will be 180 degree. That is, they are supplementary. These three axioms 1, 2, 3 hold for two parallel lines. If these two lines are parallel, then these three property hold. And converse is also true. Suppose this is the converse of this above. So in the converse, if the transversal intersects two lines in such a way, suppose these two lines are parallel and transversal intersects in such a way, this line is transversal, intersects in such a way that corresponding angle are equal. If this angle equal to this angle, then the line will be parallel. This is the converse of first. Similarly, if alternate interior angle are equal, then the two line will be parallel. Suppose if alternate interior angles are equal, suppose this angle equal to this angle, if alternate interior angle are equal, then the line will be parallel. This is the converse of second. Similarly, third, the interior angle on the same sides of transversal are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Suppose if the sum of these two lines, this is the parallel lines and this one is transversal, and the sum of these two angle is 180 degree, then the line will be parallel. Now next topic is lines parallel to the same line. Suppose a line CD is parallel to this line and CD is also parallel to this line, then all three line will be parallel to each other. So we can say that if two lines are parallel, with a common lines, then these two lines will also be parallel to each other. And in the above figure, if AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to CD, that is AB is parallel to CD, and EF is parallel to CD, that is EF, this line EF is parallel to also CD, then the all three line will be parallel to each other. Now let's start the exercise 6.2. We will solve the exercise question on the basis of the above concepts. Question number 1. In the given figure, find the value of A and B if AB is parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel. Here these two angles are vertically opposite angle, so Y will be 130 degree. Y is the vertically opposite angle of this is vertically opposite angle, and X equal to the sum of these two angle will be 180 degree. This is linear pair, this angle and this angle, यानी y plus x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 minus 50, and this gives 130 degree. So that x equal to 130 degree. So that we can say that x equal to 130 and y equal to 130. Question number 2. Question number 2 is here. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, then find the value of x, and given that y ratio z equal to 3 ratio 7. So let us suppose that y ratio z equal to 3 ratio 7. Suppose y equal to 3a and z equal to 7a, and here this angle is y, so this is also y, vertically opposite angle. This angle is also y, and y plus z equal to 180 degree. Interior angle on the same side of transversal, that is y plus z equal to 180 degree, and the value of y is 3a and z is 7a equal to 180 degree, that is 10a equal to 180, so that a equal to 18 degree. And here then we will find the value of y equal to, this is 3a, 3 into 18 equal to 54 degree, and z equal to 7a, 7 into 18, 18 7 ja 126 degree, and x and z, this angle x and z are alternate interior angle, so that the value of x equal to the value of z, any alternate interior angle, so that this implies that x equal to, and the value of z is 126 degree. 126 degree is answer. The value of x is 126 degree. In this way we can solve this question. Next question, in figure this is EF is perpendicular to CD, AB is parallel to CD, and angle GED, this angle is 126. Then find angle AGE, angle AGE, this is angle AGE, that is this angle. Find this angle. So these two angles are alternate interior angle because they form Z combination. So the value of this equal to 126 degree, because this is given 126 and 126 degree this angle is, and the alternate interior angle will be equal because these two lines are parallel, so that angle AG equal to 26 degree. And second is GEF, angle GEF. Where is GEF? This angle is GEF. This is G, E and F. This angle is GEF. GEF equal to, total angle is 126 degree. This is 126 minus, and this is given 90 degree. So it becomes 36 degree. And third, find angle FGE. Where is FGE? FGE, angle FGE. This is F and this is G. This is F, this is F, G, and this is E. This angle. Here these two angles form a linear pair, so their sum will be 180, and this angle is 126 degree. So this angle becomes 180 minus 126, and this becomes 180 minus 126 equal to 54 degree. So this angle will be equal to 54 degree. Similarly, we can solve the next question. Here in this question, PQ is parallel to SR, and this angle is 110 and this is 130. Find angle QRS. So here we will construct a line parallel to the above line, this line and this line. These two lines are parallel, so we construct another line. Now we see that this line is transversal, and this is the pair of interior angle. This is 110, so that this angle will be 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. And similarly, these two angles are, this line is transversal and these two lines are parallel, so this is pair of interior angle. This is 130, so this angle will be 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. And in a straight line, the sum of all three angles, all angles will be 180 degree. This is a straight line, and this angle is 70 degree, and this angle is 50 degree here, and this angle 70. Our aim to find this angle QRS, so that angle QRS equal to 180 minus 70 plus 50, that is 70 plus 50, this degree. So it becomes 180, 70 and 50, 120, and 180 minus 120 becomes 60 degree. The answer of this angle will be 60 degree. This is the answer of this question. Similarly, now solve fifth question. In fifth question, find the value of x and y. Here they are given AB is parallel to CD, and this is 50 and this 127. Here this line and this line are parallel line, and this is transversal line. This line is transversal line, so that the angle, this angle and this angle will be alternate interior angle. This angle will be alternate interior angle, so that value of angle x equal to 50 degree. X equal to 50 degree. This is alternate interior angle. And second is the value of y. Here we see that the sum of these two angles are also alternate interior angle. This is this angle, that is these two angles are alternate interior angle, because this line is and this line are parallel and this is transversal, so that this angle and this angle will be the alternate interior angle. In this way you can say that the alternate interior angles are equal, so that angle 50 plus y, 50 plus y, 50 degree plus y equal to 127 degree, this angle. So that y equal to 127 minus 50, 127 minus 50, that is 7 and 12, 5, this is also 77 degree. And last question is here in the given figure, these two are the two mirrors. This is the two mirror, first mirror and second mirror, and placed parallel to each other, and they are parallel, and incident ray AB strike the mirror PQ at B. This is the ray, this strike at B and reflect here, then strike to this point, and again this point is RS, this is R, and this point is S, and this point is C. So prove that AB is parallel to CD. Our aim to prove AB is parallel to CD. So here we will construct, suppose this is perpendicular line at the point B, so this is incident angle and this angle is angle of reflection. Suppose this angle is A, then this angle will also A. Similarly, draw another perpendicular line at this point. Here draw another perpendicular line at the point C. So this is a ray and this angle will be angle of incident. Suppose this angle is B, so angle of reflection will also be, and in this diagram we see that angle A and B are alternate interior angle in this diagram. Suppose this line and this line are perpendicular on the mirror, and this is the transversal. These two lines are parallel and this is the transversal, and this line is transversal, so that this line and this line are perpendicular, so that this angle and this angle will be alternate interior angle. So we can say that angle A equal to angle B, angle A equal to angle B in this diagram. This is the formation of Z, this angle equal to this angle. This implies that multiply by 2 or angle 2A equal to angle 2B, and 2A is the complete angle. This is the complete angle 2A. This is from here to here. The name of this angle is ABC, that is angle ABC equal to, and angle 2B is this angle. We can say that BCD, angle BCD. These two angles are equal in this figure, so we can say that these are the alternate interior angle, so the line will be parallel. Here in this diagram, this angle, total angle is equal to this angle. This is the alternate interior angles are equal, so that these two lines will be parallel. This implies that AB is parallel to CD. This is the proof of this question. Thank you.